Xiaomi's 13 series flagship smartphones are here, and as usual, they are loaded with the latest technology and features with the 13 and 13 Pro. Xiaomi is the second manufacturer to use Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 platform, following Vivo with the X90 Pro and IQOO 11 series. They also have new camera modules with improved image quality, ultra-fast charging and more. Xiaomi 13 Pro features a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor, which is also found in the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. The Xiaomi number series is the brand's high-end line. Most models in the number series eventually get wider availability. The two phones get new design elements this time around. The standard Xiaomi 13 has a flat display with flat edges that are reminiscent of iPhone 14 and a glass or rather back, while the Xiaomi 13 Pro has a slightly curved display, a curved frame and a ceramic or leather body. Xiaomi's flagships have an IP68 disc and water resistant rating for the first time, making them dust proof and able to survive immersion in water up to a depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Both phones come with a significant updates. The display of the former is slightly bigger at 6.36 inches and is an FHD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, the 13 Pro keeps the 6.73 inches size, 1440p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate of its predecessor. Users get an array of display features like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and DC dimming, and both also have a sensor that automatically adjusts the color temperature. The Xiaomi 13 Pro supports Samsung E6 2K OLED displays with a brightness of 1200 nits and a peak brightness of 1900 nits, making them brighter than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's 1750 nits of peak brightness. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus will also protect the screen. Powering the two smartphones is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processors paired with up to 12GB RAM of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. A 4500 mAh battery keeps the Xiaomi 13 running with support for 67W fast wire charging, while the Xiaomi 13 Pro packs a bigger 4820 mAh unit and charges at up to 120W. Both devices also support 50W fast wireless charging and 10W reserve wireless charging. Bunking the trend, Xiaomi ships both phones with a charger in the box. On the software side, users will get the new MIUI 14 custom skin based on Android 13. Xiaomi 13 Pro features the 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor. This is a 1-inch sensor from Sony, and Xiaomi states that it has deeply customized this sensor in collaboration with Leica. The phone has Leica optical lenses that are said to deliver improved image quality. The same sensor is also being used on the recently launched Xiaomi 12S Ultra. It also includes a 50-megapixel 3.2 zoom camera, 75mm equivalent with hyper optical image stabilization, and a floating lens. Finally, it has a 50-megapixel 2.2 aperture ultra-wide camera, 14mm equivalent, and both phones Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro have a 32-megapixel punch hole selfie cam. The in-display fingerprint sensor supports heart rate measurement, and connectivity options include NFC, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and dual frequency GPS. They also have stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos with head tracking, spatial audio. Sony IMX989 1-inch type sensor on 13 Pro is physically larger than ever the biggest smartphone sensors used so far, which gives it bigger individual pixels, which translates to an advantage in its ability to gather light and capture photos in even the most challenging and dim conditions. The main camera is coupled with a wide 23mm lens with a fast 1.9 aperture and with Hyper OSI technology, and it allows for stunning shots as the one you are seeing right now. The new algorithm helps for the fast capture too, which is an important improvement over the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, which first introduced this sensor. The telephoto lens of the Xiaomi 13 Pro is another interesting decision. The company is one of the many Chinese phone makers that switch their flagships to this 2x to 3.5x zoom range rather than a long range periscope system. Even the Xiaomi 12S Ultra came with a 5x zoom camera. This shutter range is more versatile. The camera can be used in dimmer light and it just seems more useful and sensible in every conditions. And with improvements to the algorithms, you can get clear photos at longer zoom levels as well.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
The Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro are already available in China and the prices are quite good. The vanilla Xiaomi 13 model starts at 4,000 Chinese yuan, which translates roughly to about 570 USD dollars, while the Xiaomi 13 Pro based model sells for 5,000 yuan or around 717 USD. Both phones are China exclusive currently, but we do expect them to launch globally in a couple of months. The international prices of these models would be slightly higher than we buy in China, mostly because of tax policies. Hope you do like my videos and follow me for more tech videos here. See you around. Bye.